Here are the ingredients that you add. You have peas, raisins. You could toast them if you'd like. I put them in there fresh. And slivered almonds, diced carrots, potatoes, and chicken's done. So I'm gonna start making the rice. And I have the rice right here. I've had the rice soaking, and it's 3 cups of rice. And those are all my spices. You have ground cumin, ground cardamom, turmeric, 7 spice, curry powder, biryani mild mix, and of course there's the ghee. So here we go. Make room for the rice because I want to stay with this pot. I'm going to transfer the stuff. Chicken over here. And there's recommendations to cook the chicken, saute the chicken with all the spices. I end up adding to the rice. And I've learned this recipe by practicing online and by asking friends. I do have some Middle Eastern friends and family. So I've asked them, and I think I've perfected this recipe. So I pull out the chicken first, because I'm going to use the broth for the rice, but I don't want to burn myself. Because everything splashes, you know? Hot liquids that splash will burn you. You could easily use a bowl for that, but I grabbed what I had first. I'm going to use that broth right now for the rice. Okay, so it's recommended to use, like I said earlier, ghee. Let me show you what I'm doing, and let me drain the rice. There's so many steps in this recipe. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to add some diced onion. The recipe that I know asks for, that's messy chopping, right? It's okay. It asks for some is this vermicelli? Right? So I'm going to put about 2 cups. Cooked it about 11 minutes. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Turn off that fan. So you add the chicken. And I used no chicken breast. And then you add the rest of the ingredients, which are the vegetables. Let's see how I can do this, because usually I do it in a bowl, but for presentation I put it in this pan. And I really enjoy I love the cardamom flavor, and I'm going to add a little bit more of that because I just love it. If you haven't tried cardamom, you have to try it. People put it in their teas, in their foods. I love it. And here's my cardamom. I just sprinkle more on it, and you taste it as you go. Now you give it a good mix. And the rice needs like 4 more minutes. But believe it or not, all these flavors will mix well. And this meal will easily serve 10 people. And I like to add more of the biryani mix, spice. And that's it. You give it a good mix. You let it sit for a while. Covered for another 4 minutes. And then I'll show you the end result.